Hi, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how to make this designer paper box, and this is the one I showed on my blog yesterday. This box will hold, it actually has 6 cards in here. It would probably hold more. It also has the envelopes. And the cards are very simple, but my idea came from one sheet of designer paper will make the box and all 6 cards. So here's 2 of the cards, 2 more, and then the final 2. And it's made just using the leftover strip of the paper, and I will show you that in just a minute. Okay, so let's get started. We're using the same designer paper, so I'm just going to duplicate that box since I like it so well. You're going to open up the arm on your trimmer, and you're going to cut it. Well, let's see. Let's take the scoring blade off, and we're going to put the cutting blade on. Okay, I keep this little protective thing on there so that I don't cut myself when I'm reaching into my basket. Okay, so I'm going to cut it at 10 inches. So the paper's going to be 10 by 12. Now this is what you're going to use to make your other 6 cards. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it. This measures 2 inches, so I'm going to cut it at 1. Okay, and then you're just going to cut each strip at 4 1/4. 4 1/4, and then that leftover strip, and that will make all 6 of your cards. Okay, now I'm going to take the cutting blade off and put that little protective thingy on there and put the scoring blade back on. Okay, so this measures 10 by 12. Okay, I'm going to score it at 5 on each side. I'm going to put the name of the designer paper on the screen. This is our textured designer paper. It's called the Specialty. Oh, let me stop talking for just a second about that. I scored it at 5 on each side, and then I'm going to turn it and score it at 2 on each side. I'll go back to the paper in just a second. Okay, so now if you want to make this little edge here, which I really like. I did not do it on this bag, and I didn't like this bag as well. I think it's really cute, but I just couldn't finish it. So I really like this, except I just need to use sticky strip to hold it down. Okay, so to get that edge, the side that you scored at 5 and 5, well, you scored it at 5 and then you turned it. Okay, so now you're going to put it back in here, and you're just going to score it using this side of your trimmer. You're going to score it at a 1/2 inch. Okay? If you do not want that edge, then you don't have to do this part. So I'm going to turn it and then score it at 1/2 inch. Okay, so we're going to get the trimmer out of the way. And now I'm going to show you my template. I always make a template because I'm a visual person. This shows me where I'm going to cut my box. So you can see where I've cut. I've also put on here where I'm going to apply sticky strip because I learned that after I made the box. Okay. So the first thing we'll do is fold it on the score lines. You want to be able to work with this box. Okay, and what was I saying about the designer paper? Now I've forgotten. I don't know. I really like it. And this month, this is May of 2009. I can't see my lines. Did I score it at 2 on that side? Or at 5? Ugh, I can't see it. Maybe I was talking and I didn't do it. We'll put it back in here because I don't see that score line. It may be there and I just... What can I say? My vision is going... There we go. Okay, so here's how it looks. Okay, so back to the template. This is going to show me where I'm going to cut it. Okay, I'm going to get my scissors. These lines are really throwing me, so I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to cut it right up to that score line on both sides. Okay, and then That's where I forgot to fold it. I knew I was forgetting something. Did I fold this one? Nope. Okay, so now I'm just going to cut just a little bit off right where these score lines are. Okay, can you see this, hopefully? It's hard to see the score lines with the striped paper. Okay, so now I'm going to put my adhesive on here. Again, this is where I would use sticky strip, but I'm just going to use this nail to save myself some time. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to flip these flaps in. Put adhesive here. Again, I would use sticky strip here, okay? Oh, I think I was going to tell you that that it's May and our designer paper is buy 3 and get 1 free. That's what I was trying to tell you. Okay. So I'm going to put it right up here at the top. Okay. Hopefully that's not just spinning you around. Okay, and then you just bring your walls up. Now, let me show you. Make sure that you line up the top to the top. The bottom part will be fine, but you really want to make sure you line up this top piece really well, because that's where it would look bad if you didn't line it up. Okay, well, you can tell my office is in the basement and it is a little humid down here. So here's the box. Wasn't that quick and easy? And here's the finished product. This is Sahara Sand ink that I stamped with. This is not Sahara Sand. This is actually craft, but I think it looks pretty good. So the scallop came from the pennant die with the Big Shot. Then this scallop is from the Scallop Circle Punch, and then this is the 1 3/8 punch. So there you have it. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks a lot.